Bay State Locksmith provides professional locksmith and security services for residential, commercial, and automotive customers. Bay State Locksmith is a licensed and insured company. Our company employs the highest caliber of qualified staff. Our highly skilled technicians know the importance and the necessity of personal and household security. You can be assured that with 10+ years of locksmith and security services experience, your safety and satisfaction are our #1 concern. At Bay State Locksmith, we make sure you will be safer with us. With one phone call, all of your security and locksmith needs can be accomplished. Call us now toll-free, 877-717-5625.